If you want to know how I slayed this 4x4 closure, just keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Malaysia, and today we're going to be installing a closure wig. So starting off, I have my bald cap and I put makeup over just this part because, you know, closures only go about this far. This is a 4x4, so not that much parting space. I have my Got To Be Glued freeze blasting spray, as well as the black Got To Be gel. You know, usually I would use Bold Hold, but I'm about to take this off. I have I have some twaids going on under here, which is, you know, when you, it's kind of like a twist out braid out, where it's braided at the top and twisted at the bottom. So I'm going to be taking that out later today, and yeah, I don't need to keep this on this long. Also with closures, like, it's a closure. You don't need you don't need Bold Hold. So yeah. So this is actually a wig that I made, which is why it's not constructed the best. Oh my god. Like, you can literally lift up some hair and boom, tracks. Like, this is this was my second time making a wig, and so I just glued the tracks on to a wig cap, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I sewed this side because it was like coming apart, and I plan to eventually sew this wig, but I haven't yet. So I also dyed it. This hair was 613, and then I used Adore. I don't remember what colors, and this is what we got. So we're gonna put this on. And this video should be very short. Like, it's pretty much just like how to slay a closure, how to wear a closure, because I know, like, some people can't do frontals be taking edges out and everything like that, and sometimes you just want like a very temporary hairstyle, and frontals just be doing too much sometimes, you know what I mean? So like, this is a closure. You know, you're only gonna have glue here, put some water on it, boom, take it off. Like, that's what we like. And I think I'm gonna actually start wearing closures a lot more, because I put this on the other day and it just looked really good to me. Like, there used to be a time I never thought I could wear closures. Like, I literally used to have one and just never wore it because I'm like, you know, I don't know how to make it look natural. I love putting my hair behind my ear, and like, there's no lace on this side, you know? So yeah, today we're just gonna be slaying this closure. I'm gonna show you how to, if you're like me, like putting your hair behind your ear, you're gonna be able to do that. Okay, so let me just straighten it out, because I literally just had this on like 20 minutes ago. I just took it off so I could do this reinstall. I also think I'm gonna do a video on how to install your either closures or your lace fronts, but like after the long lace has been cut, because I know a lot of people do their wig install videos, and it's always with a new wig that has lace on it, and you know, that's most of the time that's not the case. We're not out here buying wigs every day, every week, you know. We're re-wearing wigs. So I know a lot of people want to know like how to install their wigs when there's no lace for them to like really hold on to, and that can be very hard because, you know, the edges get stuck and everything. It just be a mess sometimes. Like, even I struggle sometimes still. So I'm definitely gonna make that video. I don't know when it's coming because I want to wear my hair for a bit right now. So yeah. So I just put some one layer of the Got To Be gel on my pretty much where I think the closure is gonna lay. Also, another thing about closures, my edges, I don't have to worry about that. Like, I have low edges on my sides, and like when the frontals be going all the way down, like they're either gonna have to be all the way down my forehead or back up a bit and take out my edges, and I don't like that. I feel like this is the best time to learn a skill, so. And now I'm going to, it's not completely dry yet, but I'm just gonna put some freeze spray over it. I kind of missed the spot a little. There we go. Yeah, that's probably actually all I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna wait for that to dry, because again, I will be taking this off soon. But first I gotta take selfies. I haven't really taken selfies like that in this red hair, and it's too bomb for that, so. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry. I'll just come back when it's dry and show you guys how I, you know, put it on. Okay, so it's not really that dry, but it's sticky, so I'm gonna pull it down and tie it down and let it dry like that. So yeah, again, it's hard to grab the lace when like it's already been cut, but you know, this is how I do it. Just stick my thumb under, you know, and just pull it forward. So I'm just gonna lay it where I want it to be. I don't want it to be like too far down my head, even though I made the glue all the way down there. And boom! Y'all see the lace disappear a little bit? Cause I did. I'm like, but let me pull the sides forward too. Forward a little bit. Once that lace is laid there, I'm just gonna press it into my skin a bit more too. I did not expect the lace to disappear like that, cause it's like I dyed the wig, okay, and the lace did not dye. Like, the lace was cool. I wore it the first time. It looked good. It looked amazing. It was still pretty much my color because I had put some makeup underneath, right? And then I gotta wash the wig. I gotta bleach the knots, I think, because I didn't bleach them the first time because it was just 613 hair. I'm gonna bleach the knots. I gotta wash it out. I guess there's still some dye in this hair, but it tinted the lace. And I don't really know how to get it out, so I just put some makeup on it. And that's why it looks a little red, but I'm gonna still wear it. I don't care. I'm literally still gonna wear this. But anyway, so yeah, that's what it looks like when I lay the lace down. I was gonna tie it down before I did my edges, but it's holding in place pretty well. So I'm gonna go do my edges and then tie it down and then come back. Okay, so I have my wet line. I started using this because Beauty by Julia, or Beauty via Julia, she uses wet line on her wig edges. It looks really good, and so I've just been doing that lately. But anyway, let me push this hair back so I can see the edges. And so yeah, I use these edges over here pretty much. Then just comb this back over. Comb back over like that. Now I'm gonna put on the scarf so that it can lay down like the glue and my edge. Now we wait for that to set out of nowhere. Like, you know what I mean? That's not what we're doing here. You know, we're gonna use this lace how it should be used. Make it look like skin, you know? Like, I'm gonna insert a picture. Like, I just hate when I see closures like this. And I'm like, I know you had some lace on there. Like, I just feel like it looks way more natural with lace. But yeah, I'm gonna wait maybe 5 minutes for this to set, come back and show you guys the final result. And yeah, maybe I'll go put some makeup on it. All right, bye. Okay guys, so I'm back and this is what it looks like. Let me take this from behind my ear. Okay, so this is what we're working with. This is what it looks like. My edges. You can see the rest of the closure. What I do, I'll lay like the sideburns, my edges, so they match the texture. They don't look like kinky. And oh my gosh, something in my eye. Well, I don't know what it is, but there was something in my eye. I'm gonna put this one behind my ear. And literally, I will wear it just like this. Like, and I love it. First of all, I just love this color. Like, I have to get more 99J, more red wigs, whatever. I have to get more. I want a longer one in the same color, so I might just order like a 613 wig and dye it. I'm so surprised this lace is looking like this. Like, well, I'm happy first of all, because it used to be like the color of the hair, like it was just bad. But yeah, that's what we're working with. This is what it looks like. I think that's so cute. So yeah, comment down below, let me know what you guys think, if this helped you out on how to wear your closures. I definitely think like closures are not canceled. Like, they're just not. Like, you're telling me I don't have to have glue all the way down here, all the way across my forehead, and I can still put my hair behind my ear and have a little cute edges. Like, closures are not canceled. If you want low maintenance, this right here, baby. Like, I feel like frontal, you really only need a frontal if you want to put your hair up in a ponytail. I feel like that's really low maintenance. Like, you don't need to do a lot. And yeah. So again, let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and if it helped you out, because I feel like I used to search how to slate closures all the time. Like, they're cheaper. You're just saving a lot. You're saving time, you're saving edges, you're saving money. So yeah. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!